beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at everything Boxycharm up to this moment. We're going to look at the May Boxycharm, what sneak peeks we have for that. We're going to look at the limited edition skincare box, which sneak peeks we have for that and what is confirmed. And also for Boxyluxe, our June 2019 Boxyluxe. Let's see what we have for that so far. Everything is kind of mumble jumbled in my mind, so I wanted to put it down all in one place to make it a little bit easier for you to understand where we're at. And from here we can go with different videos, but let's take a look at it all. Before we get into that, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It'll cost you $21. That includes your shipping fee. It has 4 to 5 full-size beauty products in the box. This can be makeup, beauty items, skincare. This is all based on your beauty profile. The box will have a value of at least $100. Once you become a charmer and you're subscribed to Boxycharm, you can then get Boxyluxe, which is a quarterly subscription box that will cost you $49.99. You'll have anywhere from 8 to 10 items in the box. They're full-size items and they're cosmetics, makeup, beauty products, sometimes lifestyle products, all based on your beauty profile. This box will value at least $250. Once you're a charmer, you can also receive any limited edition boxes they may offer, such as the limited edition skincare box that we will receive in May. I'll get more into that at the end when we talk about the limited edition skincare box. I want to remind everyone about our giveaway. This month in April, we're having our regular giveaway, and I have 2 Jeffree Star palettes, the Blue Blood palette and the Blood Sugar palette. The first place winner will receive choice of her palette and Jeffree Star's new makeup sponges along with it. The second place winner will get the other palette. If you're not a charmer and you want to get into Boxyluxe, if you subscribe in April, you will receive the April FOMO box. Join today. It'll cost you $21, and the link to join is in the description area of the video. Okay, let's first start with our May 2019 Boxycharm regular box. This started basically at the office a week or so ago when we saw a few products on Joe's desk. They were filming in his office, and as you can see on the right side of this desk, there was some GlamGlow Gentle Bubble and a box of the First Aid Beauty. Now further toward us we can see a yellow box, and that looks like a Sol de Janeiro, but I haven't heard any more about that little sneak peek. But first let's look at what we've seen so far with the GlamGlow products. Then when Joe arrived at Coachella, he showed us 4 GlamGlow products.
So one of those is going to be in the May Boxycharm box, and one of them will be in our limited edition skincare box. And we want you to choose. So go and hashtag Boxycharm and Boxychella and GlamGlow and tell us which one do you think is going to be in each one. Okay?
So I have a video on all 4 of these products. I'll list the video up above if you'd like to see more detail on all 4. Then this cute little clue was given to us by Instagrammer at Nyabia Fofia, and this just really confirmed the fact that our May box is going to have the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble that sells for $28. It's a daily cleanser to gently cleanse skin and remove face makeup. It's got oat amino acids to condition the skin. This cleanser has Teoxy green leaf tea in it, so it's a really good cleanser. In the midst of all this, Joe puts up this note that says, sneak peek one for May, GlamGlow, and First Aid Beauty. Stay tuned for the actual products. So I'm adding this second item because of this sneak peek. And the next item that may be a variation in the May box is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This sells for $34. It's an oil-free, lightweight, refreshing moisturizer infused with skin-nourishing coconut water. Now, if you want information on these two products, I'll link the video up above that I went into more detail on these two. The next clue for the May box I want to show you is when Joe Morton first got to Coachella, one of his pictures showed this. It had the Dose of Colors brand on the back wall. I've seen this hint before when they talked about Dose of Colors being in the box later on this year. I remember seeing also the Blushing Berries palette he received in the office one day. So I was leaning toward these palettes maybe being in the May box. That's just looking at this clue and kind of trying to figure it out. Now, I'm not confirming this. I'm just saying it's a clue that Dose of Colors will be coming. I'm not sure what it'll be, but we'll have to wait and see. Okay, let's move on to the skincare box. First, let me refresh your memory with this clip.
So here it is. We're gonna have 3 products from GlamGlow over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one of those is going to be in the May Boxycharm box, and one of them will be in our limited edition skincare box. And we want you to choose. So go and hashtag Boxycharm and Boxychella and GlamGlow and tell us which one do you think is going to be in each one.
Okay, the 4 products in this video, we had the one that's going to be in the May box. It's the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble Conditioning Cleanser. And out of the other 3, it has been Boxycharm confirmed that the GlamGlow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment Serum will be in the limited edition skincare box. Now this serum sells for $65 for 1 ounce. It's a universal serum that uses GlamGlow's 6 acid blend and charcoal to instantly plump fine lines, fight dullness, and exfoliate dry surface cells. It's for skin type normal, combination, and oily. It's for skincare concerns pores, fine lines and wrinkles, and dullness and uneven texture. It's a lightweight serum that has the Super 6 acid blend. This is lactic acid, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, tartaric acid, and pyruvic acid. It clarifies pores and supports natural cell renewal. The activated charcoal powder detoxifies and lifts away impurities. It has hyaluronic acid to visibly plump fine lines and wrinkles. Eucalyptus leaves give the serum the signature super mud scent and delivers photoactives directly into the formula. This product is free of sulfates, SLS, and SLES, parabens, phthalates, and oil. I am so excited about this skincare product. I'm very excited for the skincare box. And like I said, this sells for $65 for 1 ounce. Now this serum seems like it'd be more for normal to normal oily type skin. Now with any acid, I always recommend you perform a patch test before you actually use it. Now this acid is not recommended for sensitive skin. So that's our first confirmed spoiler in our skincare box. I also have a few more. Okay, our second sneak peek for the skincare box is the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil, and this is $32. This cleansing oil is for all skin types. It's a vegan coconut oil based cleansing oil that removes makeup and leaves your skin silky soft without clogging your pores. It's a solution for dryness and dullness and uneven texture. Okay, and I have a few details on the skincare box. The sale, you will have to pay for the box somewhere toward the end of April. The box is going to cost you $49.99. Charmers who have year subscriptions, if you have a 12-month subscription for Boxycharm, you will have first option on your box, on your skincare box. There will be 8 products in this skincare box, and you have to be an active subscriber to get this box. So guys, now's the time to subscribe to Boxycharm. If you're looking at getting this limited edition box, you need to subscribe today. Be an active subscriber. If you get a 12-month subscription, you'll get first dibs on that skincare box. This box we pay for in April, then we'll receive it in May. So those are the details. In order to get this limited edition skincare box, you have to be an active subscriber. So if you want to get in on this and you're not a charmer, you have to subscribe to Boxycharm. So if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, like I said before, I have the link in the description area of my video here, and you'll get the April FOMO box. Okay, next we're going to look at our June 2019 Boxyluxe. We have 2 sneak peeks that are confirmed for this box. This first sneak peek is revealed by Manny MUA. I want you to watch this first little clip.
So I walked into my room. Look how freaking cute this is. Oh my god. Thank you, Dr. Brandt. I am so excited. One of these bad boys is going to be in the June Boxyluxe box. Come on, Boxycharm, coming through.
Okay, all these products on his table are Dr. Brandt products. They're the Microdermabrasion, the Pore Refining Primer, the Vacuum Cleaner, the Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. And what confirmed the product for me was on Dr. Brandt's Instagram site, they put the Pore Refining Primer on this picture with the Boxycharm items. So it's been confirmed pretty much that this is going to be in the Boxyluxe June 2019 box. And what this product is, this product is called Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Pore Refining Primer, and it sells for $45 for 1 ounce. It acts as a primer and touch-up for the perfect makeup look. It's a game changer in the world of selfies. This cult favorite is Dr. Brandt's quick fix for flawless, photo-ready skin. An instantly mattifying primer and a pore refiner in one. It's a miracle base that creates the ideal skin canvas for long-lasting makeup. The velvety formula absorbs excess oil, minimizes the look of pores, and blurs fine lines and imperfections, and is beautifully melt-proof, no matter how high the humidity is. Skin looks and feels smooth and fresh with an ultra-clean sensation, suited for all skin types. Okay, now this primer really will help you. If you have oily skin, you can put it in your T-zone if you're combination, and it will help you control your oil all day long. Now, if you want to go out without makeup and you're worried about your pores and oil, You just put this primer on a clean face and it will help excess oil stay controlled, and it will blur out your pores without makeup on. It's a very good primer. It's more for oily to combination oily skin. Any kind of skin type can use it. So our second Boxyluxe Baller is also from Dr. Brandt. It was confirmed by Nicole Concilio, as you can see in her hand on this clip, and it's called the Dr. Brandt's Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll.
Here is a sneak peek from the June Luxe box from Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balancing Yogurt Cleanser.
Now, all I know about this is they say yogurt and chlorophyll are two great hydrators. So this cleanser is a great cleanser to hydrate your skin. It's a new product. It just was released by Dr. Brandt. It's not yet being sold on their site yet, or in Sephora or anywheres. So we're getting in on the start of this product. We're getting new products, not old products that didn't sell. We're getting a new product here. As a matter of fact, both these products from Dr. Brandt are new. This one is just a little bit newer because it's not on their site. So we have two products so far for our Boxyluxe. I'm excited about all these products that are in all the boxes. I hope this clears up a little bit more of what we know so far about Boxycharm and what's in which box, because I was a little confused and I sat down and really looked at it. Now we still have a lot of sneak peeks out there that haven't been confirmed. We don't know which place they'll be. I know that GlamGlow setting spray will be eventually in something. I think all four of those products that Joe showed will be somewhere. Also, I think we will be seeing Dose of Colors very, very soon. So thank you all for watching. I hope this cleared up a little confusion. Please remember to share this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you liked my video, please give me a like. I would truly appreciate it. Before we end this video, at the end, I'm going to show you a little bit more footage from Boxycharm if you want to see a little bit more. So thank you for watching again. Bye.
Coachella, day one. I'm so excited, y'all. We're gonna take you through the journey. Let's go. Are you guys ready? I need more enthusiasm.
You guys, we're at Coachella.
Yes!
We're so excited. Oh my god. Look at Joe. Say something. Join the stories. Joe. What?
Hi, Charmers. We are here at Coachella. Yes! You wish you was here. Huh?
Boxycharm.